Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, everyone. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. I am so very happy that so many of you could make it today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ilyas Langsang.
My name is Muhammad Alfian.
My name is Muhammad Dapa Gaisana Sehuna. In this video, we'll explore and learn more about the parts and function inside a computer. So let's get started. Computers are not only visible from the outside like monitors, keyboard, or CPU. Inside the computer, there are many important components that work together so that the computer can function. Here are some of the main parts inside the computer. Processor function the brain of the computer, which processor all command explanation. The CPU is responsible for calculating, executing program command, and managing all computer operation. Example, Intel Core i5, AMD Ryzen 7. Motherboard function the main board where all computer components are connected. Explanation the motherboard connect the CPU, memory, hard disk, graphic card, and other device so they can communicate with each other. RAM function temporary memory that stores data that is being used. Explanation the larger the RAM, the faster the computer can process many tasks simultaneously. Hard drive or SSD function applies to store all data permanently. Explanation hard drive traditional disk-based storage slower, SSD solid state drive modern storage that is faster and more durable. Power supply.
Nah,
Power supply unit function provide electricity to all computer components. Explanation the PSU convert electricity from the wall outlet into a form of electricity that the computer component can use.
next, GPU graphics processing unit or graphic cards function processing image, video, and graphics. For explanation, important for games, graphic design, or video editing, there are separate GPU dedicated and that are integrated with the CPU integrate. Okay, next, cooling system. The function keeps the computer cool. For explanation, can be a fan, heatsink, or liquid cooling system. Next, optical drive function reading CD or DVD. For explanation, now it is rarely used because many files are digital. Next, port and connector. The function place the connect other device. Next, port and connector. The function place to connect other device such as USB, HDMI, audio jack. For explanation, allow to us to connect a computer to a monitor, printer, flash drive, or okay, next, port and connector. The function place to connect other device such as USB, HDMI, audio jack. For explanation, allow us to connect a computer to a monitor, printer, flash drive, etc. Next, let's move on the next topic, which is this hardware. Understanding hardware. Hardware is all the physical component in a computer. It can be seen, touched, and has a real form. Hardware function to support the computer is worked in processing data. Okay, next, function hardware. Hardware function hardware has several main function, namely number one, processing input data into Okay, next, function hardware, processing input data into output. Number two, storing data and information. Number three, providing a means of interaction between user and computer. And helping computer work according to user needs. Okay, next, category hardware. Hardware category in the computer is divided into several category, include number one, input device, output device, processing device, storage device. Okay, next. Example to input. Okay, next. Example of input hardware. Keyboard to type text or command. Mouse to move the printer and select commands. Number three, scanner to convert physical document into digital files. Number five, next. Example of input hardware. Number one, keyboard. Use the Okay, next. Example of input hardware. Number one, keyboard. Used to type text or give commands to the computer. Number two, mouse. Move the pointer and select item on the screen. Number three, scanner. Convert physical document into digital files. Number four, webcam. Capture image or video in real time.
Okay, next example of hardware output. 1. Monitor. Display the result of the computer work visually. Ini untuk next example hardware output. 1. Monitor. Display the result of the computer example of hardware output. 1. Monitor. Display the result of the computer work visually. 2. Printer. Prints document or image from the computer. 3. Speaker. Produce sound from the computer. 4. Projector. Display the computer screen on a larger screen. Oh, nggak gerak. Processing hardware. Processor or CPU. The brain of the computer that carries all instruction. Motherboard. The main board that connect all the components of the computer. Computer. Processing hardware. Processor or CPU. The brain of the computer that carries all instruction. Motherboard. The main board that connect all the components of the computer. RAM. Random access memory. Temporary memory that stores active data. Storage hardware. Anjay. Oh, ini beda lagi, Cok. Okay, next. Example of other hardware. 1. PSU. Power supply unit. Provides electrical power to all components. 2. Cooling fan. Cool the temperature of computer components. 3. Graphic card or GPU. Processor, image, video, and animation. Okay, next. Maintenance of hardware maintenance. Clean the hardware regularly to prevent dust. Yeah. Maintain the importance of hardware maintenance. Clean the hardware regularly to prevent dust. Maintain the computer temperature so that it does not overheat. Ensure all cables and components are properly installed. Use a UPS to prevent damage due to power outage. Next, conclusion. Hardware is an important part of a computer system. Without hardware, a computer will not be able to work. By understanding the function and types of hardware, we can be wiser in using and maintaining our computers. Maintaining, Cok. Conclusion. Hardware is the main part of a computer system. All component activities, from typing, playing games, to watch videos, involve hardware. By understanding the function and types of hardware, we can be wiser in using computer and extend the life of the device we have. Thank you.